Yeah, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? Yeah. Today we are here yet with another video. Yeah, I want to place trades for you guys. You know, this is card GPY. I've opened my trade, I've opened my chart, and as I'm seeing right now, this is for buy. This is for a buy. This is for a buy. Now, I want to change my my pips here. You know. So did I enter trade? Okay, done. I've entered trade for card JPY. So okay, let me even see. Okay. So let me see all the time frame. Alright, let me use this to enter my I want to do my take profits. This is a buy. Yeah, I believe that this market, this is the recent low. That's what I do. That's what point is that one? No. That's not the reason. This is it. Okay, let me enter at 400. Is it 400? No. Let me do 800. No, 800. So let me leave it there. Then my stop loss here 400 pen point. So here you just click this arrow. That is what you do. I'll click modify. Done. Let's check. This is where is the trade I just entered. Okay, this is the trade I just entered now. The two of them, card JPY. Okay, so let me go and modify this other one. The take profits. No, I just entered this trade now. All I'm just trying to show you the one that I just entered to. All of them no longer. I just entered. I just decided to record it and show you how I do that. So I want to modify. Wait, I want to modify one that I just entered. I think this is it. JPY. Modify position. I want to modify from the chart. I want to modify from the chart. Not this. Not this. Wait. Not this. Okay, this is it because you see this one is not filled. I know that that's it. So I want to do it. I want to take profit here at 400 for this one. No, the others was 800 points. This is 40 pips. And this one was the first one I did was 800. So stop loss is gonna be that's in terms of points. I'm using points. Okay, stop loss. I'm going to leave this at 400 too. So I'm going to have TP1 and TP2. So you can see the thing is filled up. I click this arrow, I click modify, I click done. I'm done with it. So you can see our trades. Let's see, this is it. Up to now it does not enter profit. Yeah. So you can see all the ones that I just analyzed, I'm sitting at 600 now. So this trading is all for a buy. I saw buy signals. So let me check for Euro JPY. Euro JPY too is also for a buy. This market is gonna go up. This is where I decide to take my profit here. You can all see it. So that is that. It's for a buy. My stop loss. I use one ratio one. Management, risk management. So that is what you need to do. One is to two. That's I'm using 1%. Let's say maybe 1% to go for 2%. It depends on how you calculate your risk management. So we can all see the trading is trading, you know. So how you all doing? How is your trade? Oh wow, the trading we're sitting at $900. Yeah. The trading is trading. This is the two that I just entered now. This is the two I just entered now. So they are all for a buy. I know within a short time it's gonna go in for a buy. A buy, a buy, a buy, a buy. I've shown you how I enter my trades. I like to do more analysis on a bigger screen. So this is it. In fact, look at this now. Look at this time frame. You know that this is all for a buy. This is all for a buy. So you can see it for yourself from a higher time frame. You can study the chart. When you see that at least this is going for a buy, I know that definitely the market is going to reach somewhere here. So you can check all your time frame. This is 1 month time frame, this is 1 week time frame, this is 1 day time frame. You check all your time frame on the system, and here see, this is it. On the system, I have the opportunity at least to analyze very well the way I want to analyze on a computer. That's the advantage of using computers. You analyze well. So from here you can see how this is going up. This is an uptrend. That's all I can see here is an uptrend. The trading is trading. It's trading beautifully. Beautifully. So at least you've done my analysis with me. So let me check which of the other chart. Let me check Euro JPY. Euro JPY is looking beautiful. You can see it's for a buy. This is a buy. This is a buy. It's giving us a buy signal. So we can all see it's looking beautiful. I think I entered different trades, multiple trades for Euro JPY, almost like 1, 2, 3 trades for Euro JPY. For CAD JPY, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades for Euro JPY. So that's it. So the trading is trading. It's looking all beautiful. So I think I've already set my stop loss and my take profit. If I can be able to pick my profit to you guys, I'm going to come back for the second video. I'll try and see. I hope I will not be carried away with work and forget to come and take my profit with you guys. So but then I'll remember maybe in an hour's time or so, or before the end of London session, I'm coming back again to pick my profit with you guys. I'll try and try so that we can see where and how much we'll be able to earn. Thank you for now, and bye for now till I come to you with yet another video. Bye. Thank you. Oh, I want to cut.